Bonjour. So today we are going to discuss about a very important but also very annoying grammatical point in French. So this point is called masculin et féminin. Masculin et féminin. So of course, if no one has to be an expert at English to know that this is masculine and feminine in English. So why do we have this masculine and feminine? Well, first of all, if you have read the words on the vocab booklet, you have noticed that often there is always un and une in front of the word. So all the words in that vocab list were about school items, so gomme, agenda, livre, calculatrice, cahier, stylo, and there was always un or une in front of them. Why? Because unlike English, where there is only one word, a boy, a girl, the boy, the girl, French has two because they differentiate objects and also people and things. So let's take a look at this. We have garçon here, right? That's a boy. Garçon. And here we have fille, girl. That's a girl. So what do we know about garçon and fille? We know that they are not the same. You know that in general, and I mean in general, not all the time, boys, they have short hair. This we know. They have a bigger head, okay? They have a bigger nose, okay? They might be more muscular, and this makes them a boy. Girls, they usually have longer hair. They also have longer eyelids, eyebrows. They have a thinner nose. They can have a longer neck. And you all know, guys, that girls are way prettier than us. It is a fact. We have to accept it. So this is how we differentiate boys and girls in everyday life. In French, the same applies to words. Some words, they have a sex, or the proper word would be gender. In French, genre. And these are our two genders right here, masculin et féminin. Well, garçon, meaning boy, is very simple. Garçon, the gender, is masculine. So when I want to say a boy, I say un garçon. Fille, here, girl, is a feminine word. So if I want to say a girl, I am going to say une fille. So garçon and fille make sense because garçon, boy, masculine, fille, girl, feminine. But sometimes you have other words like téléphone. Okay, un téléphone. Téléphone is masculine. Okay, but tablet, tablet, like the iPod, like the iPad, is feminine. It makes no sense. And how do we know if the word is masculine or feminine? Well, guys, I have bad news for you. There is no actual way to know if the word is masculine or feminine. It is a fact. Because I am French, I know all these words and I am used to, just saying masculin un, féminin une. It's very easy for me. But these are things you have to learn. And with time, it will become easier and easier for you. The only way to know if a word is masculine and feminine is by checking with a dictionary. Okay? So I suggest you take a look at the dictionary that's under your desk. And you look for these two words. You look for garçon and you look for fille. You can also look for téléphone and tablet if you want. Just be careful. The dictionary we use is it's a French, English, English, French. So you have to look in the first part of the dictionary. So now you can pause the video, and when you have found the answers, you can come back with them. All right, so I suppose you have looked for the words. I suppose you have found answers. So basically, what do we have? If you look for garçon here, what do they give you in the dictionary? The very first thing they give you is this, N. Am I right? And if you have looked for girl, the very first thing they give you in the dictionary is NF. Well, what do these abbreviations stand for? NM is very simple. NM is noun masculine. Non masculin en français. NF, noun féminine. Non féminin en français. So basically, when you want to know, if a word is masculine and feminine, you simply have to look for these things. Oops. And if you find NM, the word is masculine. If you find NF, the word is feminine. Sometimes you're going to have a word like this. Journalist. Okay, and you know what? This word is masculine and feminine. So exceptionally, you're going to have NM/F. Okay? And this is basically how you know if a word is masculine and feminine. There is another way. It is by using an app that is called Le-La. Okay? Because le is the. So le garçon, the boy, la fille, the girl. But I will show this. I will show you this on Friday. How to use Le-La with your phones or with the tablets we have in the classroom. De and le is something we can take a look at later tomorrow. Okay. So this is it for my video. I am done here. I think you understand now masculin et féminin, masculine, feminine for words in French. What I would like you to do now is try to do the quiz that I submitted on Edmodo. Look for the words with a dictionary and tell me if they are masculine or feminine. Then you choose your answer and you submit the quiz. And if you have extra time, you can also do number 4, page 19. You make a table with masculine words on the left, so like this basically, and feminine words on the right, and you just write them down. Okay, so I will take a look at this when I come back. It has to be done. If it is not done, some people might be in trouble. So make sure everything is done. Merci. Au revoir.